In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Calendar as a widget. To start, touch and hold an empty area of the home screen until the apps begin to jiggle. This action is crucial because it allows you to enter the editing mode of your home screen. You will notice that the icons start to move slightly, indicating that you can now rearrange them or add new elements. This visual cue is a friendly reminder that you are in control of your home screen layout. Once you see the jiggling apps, you know you can proceed to the next step. Next, tap Edit, then Add Widget, or simply tap the plus button depending on your iOS version. This step is essential because it opens a menu of available widgets that you can add to your home screen. The Add Widget option is your gateway to customizing your device further. By tapping this, you'll be able to see all the options available, including the calendar widget. This feature makes personalizing your device easy and efficient. Now, search for or select Calendar from the available options. You will see a list of apps, and finding Calendar is straightforward. This step matters because it determines which widget you want to add to your home screen. The Calendar widget is particularly useful for keeping track of appointments and reminders at a glance. Once you locate it, you can confidently continue to the next step, knowing you are selecting the right widget for your needs. After that, swipe to choose a widget size. Widgets come in different sizes, like small, medium, or large. Selecting the size that best fits your home screen layout is important because it affects how much information you can see at a glance. A larger widget, for example, can show more upcoming events, while a smaller one takes up less space. This aspect of customization ensures that your home screen reflects your personal style and functionality preferences. Once you have chosen the size, tap Add Widget. This action confirms your selection and initiates the process of placing the widget on your screen. You will see a preview of how it will look, which makes it easier to visualize. This confirmation is a crucial moment as it solidifies the changes you are making to your device. You can feel reassured that you are on the right path to enhancing your home screen functionality. Now it's time to drag the widget to your preferred location on the screen. You can place it wherever you feel it fits best. This step emphasizes the flexibility of the iOS interface, allowing you to arrange the widget in a way that suits your daily routine. Place it near other apps you frequently use, or wherever you will find it most useful. Once positioned, tap Done to finalize your adjustments, ensuring all your changes are saved. Lastly, if the calendar widget doesn't appear for any reason, make sure the calendar app is installed and open it once before trying to add the widget again. This tip is vital because it ensures the widget functions properly. Sometimes the app needs to be active for the widget feature to work seamlessly. Following this advice will save you time and effort, ensuring a smooth experience as you customize your device. With these steps, you have successfully added the Apple Calendar widget to your home screen. Enjoy the convenience of having your schedule easily accessible right at your fingertips. Now you can manage your appointments with ease and keep track of your daily tasks effectively. Thank you for watching.